What's the meaning of accordion? Accordion. 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 An accordion is a musical instrument that is played by expanding and compressing a bellows while pressing buttons or keys. It produces sound by blowing air across metal reeds located inside the instrument. The sound created by an accordion is often described as a distinctive, somewhat melancholic, and romantic sound, commonly associated with traditional European folk music. Overall, an accordion is a unique and versatile instrument that can be used in a variety of musical genres and cultural traditions.